Good morning everyone. We'll start with class 8 subject social science. We'll start again with geography chapter 5 mineral and power resources. In our previous video we discussed about the mineral and mineral resources, conservation of mineral and power resources. In power resources we discussed conventional power resources. So today we are going to discuss non-conventional power resources. The increasing use of fossil fuel is leading to their shortage. It is estimated that at the present rate of their consumption, the fossil fuels will get exhausted in the near future. Moreover, their use causes environmental pollution. Therefore, the need for non-conventional sources of power has become important. Solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy are the new sources of power which are being used in the present time. These energy are pollution free and they are known as non-conventional or alternative source of powers. These are inexhaustible. So first we talk about the solar energy. The sun is the source of light and heat. Many countries are tapping solar energy for domestic purposes such as cooking and heating. Solar cells are combined in solar panel to generate power for heating and lighting purpose. Tropical countries have abundant sunshine and have the potential to develop solar power. Solar energy also used in solar heater, solar cooker, solar dryer and traffic signals. Solar energy is the most readily available source of energy. It is also the most important of the non-conventional source of energy because it is non-polluting and therefore help in reducing the global warming. India is ranked number 1 in terms of solar electricity production. The main solar energy producing states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. The top 3 other countries producing solar energy are China, Germany and Japan. Next we talk about wind energy. Since time immemorial, windmills have been used for grinding grain and lifting water. In modern time, windmills high-speed wind rotate the windmill which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Wind energy is an inexhaustible source of energy. A windmill farm has a cluster of windmills. These are located in coastal regions and in desert where strong and steady winds blow. In India, windmill farms have been set up in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and Gujarat and in desert of Rajasthan. Windmill farms are found in China, the Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, the USA, Spain and the USA. Wind energy is not a very efficient source of energy because it is not consistent in speed, direction and time. Next we have the tidal energy. Energy generated from the tide is known as tidal energy. The power of the ocean tide is tapped by building dams and narrow openings of the seas or oceans to produce electricity. During high tide, the energy of the tide is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Huge tidal mills farms are in France, Russia and the Gulf of Kutch in India. Look at this picture, graphical representation of turbine installed on the seabed harness tidal energy. And next we have biogas. Biogas is produced by processing residual waste from farm, livestock, food production and effluent from industrial as well as municipal wastewater treatment plant. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digesters. Decomposition leads to emission of biogas which is largely a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produce a huge amount of organic manure each year. It is popularly in rural areas of the developing countries. Biogas plants are quite common in India. Next we have conservation of power. Fossil fuels are inexhaustible because once consumed they cannot be replenished soon. Coal and petroleum reserves are getting exhausted across the world. In the present time, with growing population and increasing needs, we are facing an energy crisis. The existing sources of power need to be conserved in order to save them for the future generation. So here are a few methods, few ways conserving power resources. Minimize the use of fossil fuels, save electricity by using power saving devices, emphasize on increasing the use of renewable and alternative sources of power. Harnessing energy is both difficult as well as costly, therefore we should not waste energy. Energy saved in a way, energy generated. Each one of us can contribute of conserving energy. Look at this. This is your homework.